In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put two tables side by side in LibreOffice. To get started, open LibreOffice and go to the document where you want to place the tables. This method works by creating a simple outer table first and then placing one table inside each side of it. It's a very practical way to keep both tables aligned neatly next to each other. Once LibreOffice is open, click in the exact area of your document where you want the side-by-side tables to appear. It's important to place your cursor first because that tells LibreOffice where the table structure should be inserted. Now create what we can call the master table. Go to the top menu and use the table insert option. Choose insert, then table, and create a table that has one row and two columns. In other words, you're making a simple 1x2 table. Think of this as a container that will hold your two separate tables. After the master table appears, the next thing to do is hide its borders. This is important because you usually don't want the outer container to be visible in the final document. To do that, highlight the cells of the master table, then look toward the bottom of the screen for the borders drop-down field. Open that menu and select the option for no borders. Once you do this, the container remains in place, but its lines are hidden, giving you a cleaner layout. Next, insert the first table. Click inside the first column of the master table. With your cursor active inside that left section, go back to the insert table option at the top. Then choose the number of columns and rows you want for your first table. This table can be as simple or as detailed as needed, depending on the content you're trying to display. After that, insert the second table. Click inside the second column of the master table, which is the right side. Then repeat the same process. Use the table insert option again and choose the number of columns and rows you want for the second table. At this point, both tables should sit side by side inside the hidden master table. If needed, you can adjust the content within each table to improve spacing and readability. This setup is especially useful for comparisons, schedules, or any layout where you want two separate data blocks next to each other. And that's it. You've successfully placed two tables side by side in LibreOffice.